Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amir Khan, and in this video we will discuss that what are the more important skills every project manager should have. In the previous video we discussed about the communication and what is the importance of communication for the project managers. If you have missed that video, you can go back and watch the previous video. In this video we will be discussing the next thing that every project manager should have, and that is the integration. Project integration, which is extremely important for every project manager, and this is also one of the most important role the project managers needs to perform. In other words, we can say that the major role of any project manager is to perform the integration in the project. So what is project integration? Now, as a project manager, you cannot just focus on quality or cost or schedule, or you cannot just focus only on payments, which means you cannot just focus on any specific area of the project while leaving all the other areas as it is. In that case, you as a project manager may not know that how the project is going or what is the right direction of any particular project. So as a project manager, you must be getting the important pieces of information from each and every area of the project and combining them together in order to have a clear picture about the whole project. For example, as a project manager, you will be getting some information about the quality of the project. You will be getting the information about the budget, about the risks, about the schedule, so that you can determine that what is the actual direction of the project. If you are not performing the integration, for example, you are just focusing on the cost, and your main concern is that the project should not exceed the cost baseline. So maybe you are going very much well in terms of finances, in terms of budget, but what about the schedule? What about the risks? Maybe your project has a lot of risks. Maybe your project has lots of quality issues which you are ignoring. So as a project manager, you cannot just focus on one or two areas of the project while you are ignoring the other areas. So that is where the integration is the key role for any project manager. Some of the main areas which the project managers needs to integrate, that is the scope, quality, schedule, budgeting, risks, and the procurement. Again, a scenario could be that you as a project manager focusing on schedule and budget, whereas you are not focusing that much on risks. And then suddenly you got the report that although you are going very much well in terms of schedule and budget, but your project have a lot of risk and some of the risks have just occurred. So while you were ignoring one area of the project, now you will be in a big trouble. If you were performing proper project integration, which means you would have been receiving proper reports, you would have been performing proper forecasting for the project, and you can easily determine that do you need to perform corrective action or preventive action for any specific area of your project. So again, based on my experience, apart from communication, project integration is one of the key role and the key skill every project manager needs to have. Project integration could be very challenging in most of the cases, because you as a project manager needs to spread your wings to each and every area of the project. And again, if the project manager is not the technical experts, so there are subject matter experts, there are technical experts who are part of the project management team. So the project management team is providing all the technical information, or the analysis, all the suggestions based on which project manager will be taking the proper decisions. So again, you, the project managers, must have to focus on the project integration. So in the next video, we will be discussing about that what is the other skill every project manager needs to have. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video.